Friends, I'm excited to welcome you to a new episode of Crypto News. Today's episode is packed with bullish updates. We'll discuss Bitcoin's new all-time high, how investment giants are placing big bets on Ethereum, and the plans of the US and other countries to acquire strategic reserves in Bitcoin. Get ready, it's going to be interesting. On December 16th, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high, soaring to $107,000. According to technical analysis, an ascending triangle was broken on the daily chart with a target of $115,000, but before continuing its upward move, Bitcoin may test support at $101,000. Amid the market's growth, the number of daily active crypto users has reached 18.7 million, more than double the figures from the start of the year. The market capitalization of the leading stablecoin USDT has for the first time surpassed $140 billion. Since September, long-term holders have sold more than 843,000 BTC, while short-term holders, on the contrary, have accumulated over 1 million BTC. During the same period, MicroStrategy and US-based spot Bitcoin ETFs added 400,000 BTC. MicroStrategy purchased 15,350 BTC for $1.5 billion at a price of $100,386 per coin. They now own 439,000 BTC, acquired for $27.1 billion at an average price of $61,725. Now that's power. Another bold statement came from Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy. He emphasized that the main goal of his company is to bridge traditional markets and the crypto economy through Bitcoin. Just a few years ago, such a statement would have been sensational, but today, as more countries accumulate crypto reserves, such remarks are becoming routine. Miners are keeping pace. Riot Platforms purchased 5,117 bitcoins, while Marathon acquired 11,774. The market is growing, companies are buying Bitcoin, and what's happening at Battle Bulls? We're offering the chance to win up to 5,000 USDT in a contest with BingX exchange. It's simple. By December 23rd, complete the registration task on BingX, make any trade of at least 50 USDT, and send a screenshot confirmation to the contest's Telegram bot. On December 25th, a randomizer will pick 10 lucky winners who will receive crypto directly to their balance. Meanwhile, our game is gaining even more popularity. Two of the largest crypto media outlets, Crypto Daily and #Telegraph, wrote about Battle Bulls. Crypto Daily included Battle Bulls in the list of the most promising Telegram games for 2025. #Telegraph holds the same opinion. Its journalists ranked Battle Bulls among the top 5 tap-to-earn games that could explode the market in 2025. Now let's return to the crypto market. Ethereum's position is strengthening. The price of the second largest cryptocurrency has firmly settled above $4,000. Investment giants BlackRock and Fidelity have invested $500 million in Ethereum over the past 2 days. Meanwhile, billionaire Ray Dalio admitted he wants to stay away from debt bonds, focusing instead on gold and Bitcoin. Follow global forces, not the news, says Dalio, and I completely agree with that philosophy. Speaking of merging traditional markets and crypto, Ripple has received approval from the New York State Department of Financial Services to launch its own stablecoin, RLUSD. Initially, it will be released on the XRP Ledger and Ethereum blockchains. Some believe RLUSD could become a direct competitor to USDT and USDC. India is preparing for an economy based on the digital rupee, CBDC. The country's central bank is confident this will completely replace the inconvenient paper economy. More and more countries are considering the creation of a strategic Bitcoin reserve. The most serious steps are being taken by the United States. Donald Trump announced that America will not miss out on the crypto initiative. States one after another are exploring the creation of Bitcoin reserves. Florida, Pennsylvania, Texas, Wyoming, Arizona, and several other regions are looking at ways to secure the future. The bull approves. The more reserves, the higher the demand. Florida is preparing to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve by 2025. The state has already invested $800 million into crypto assets through its pension fund. Pennsylvania has proposed a bill allowing up to 10% of state funds to be invested in BTC. Texas has introduced a bill to create a strategic Bitcoin reserve. Wyoming, a a pioneer in crypto regulation, is considering implementing a strategic reserve. The state has already established a legal framework for crypto companies and digital asset protection. Arizona is actively discussing the idea of reserving funds in BTC. Lawmakers see Bitcoin as a long-term tool for protecting public funds. South Dakota, Oklahoma, Tennessee, Kentucky, and Alabama are actively discussing similar initiatives and collaborating with organizations like the Satoshi Action Fund to prepare the legislative framework. Interestingly, experts calculated that if the U.S. purchases 1 million BTC over 5 years with a 25% annual price increase by the year 2050, it could cover 44% of the national debt. Germany, on the other hand, once sold its coins for $53,000, missing out on serious profit. Now that's government-scale FOMO. Thailand may grant Bitcoin the status of legal tender, while authorities are exploring the issuance of stablecoins instead of printing banknotes. The end of the year is a time for summaries and forecasts for the future. Let's look at a few notable reviews from analysts. So, the Electric Capital report on crypto developer activity shows that the globalization of crypto development is growing. Developers are active worldwide, and the development momentum has shifted beyond the USA. Asia leads with a growing role for India. Ethereum has been chosen as the base for building products by 6,244 projects, while Solana, 7,625 new developers. And finally, a bit of forecasts from VanEck for 2025. The crypto market will reach new heights. Bitcoin to $180,000, Ethereum above $6,000. Bitcoin will enter the strategic reserve of the USA. Tokenization of assets will exceed $50 billion. Stablecoins will triple turnover, up to $300 billion, 5% DTCC. More than 1 million AI agents will appear in the economy. Ethereum will earn $1 billion in fees. NFTs will return with $30 billion in trading volume. That's all for today. Stay tuned for updates, stay patient, and believe in the crypto market. Many exciting events are ahead. See you next week.